Welcome everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Munya. I'm an accountant, I'm a tax practitioner and a business coach. Today I would like to cover on how you can register a company in South Africa. Registering a company in South Africa is not really a complicated process and the requirements are not strenuous. There are easy requirements that you need to put in place. So when you register a company, first of all, you need to understand that you are going to register on cipc. Cipc is a body that registers companies, that manages companies registered in South Africa. So you need to create an account on cipc if you want to do it for yourself, or you need to look for an accountant, tax practitioner who offers those services, or any other person who offers secretarial services, which includes those company registrations. So when you have created your account, the first thing you need to do to register a company, you need to do what is called a name reservation. When you are doing a name reservation, you are required to put at least four names. And when you put your names on cipc, put them in your order of priority. What happens is that they are going to look at the first name first and see if there's any other name if there's any other company that is registered with that name already. If that is the case, they're not going to give you that name. They look at the second, third, and fourth, like in that order. So there are instances where your first name is the one that qualifies, so there's no need for them to look for the other names that you have put. And there are also instances where all your four names might not qualify. So when you're coming up with your names, try to put an extra effort on coming up with names so that you find at least some unique names which you can get, which are not registered. If you use any names that are common or that have been registered, there's no way you are going to be given a name that is registered by someone else already. So when you do that name reservation, you are going to file the reservation and you get a response from CIPC on the name that has qualified, and you are going to get your reservation number. The next process now that your name is reserved, now you go ahead and register the company. So what exactly do you need to register a company? You need your ID and it should be certified. Your ID or your passport, and this should be certified and it should be clear, and your stamp should be within 3 months. So it should not be certified more over 3 months. The stamp for certification should be within 3 months. Then next item, you need to have an email address. And another thing, you need to have your cell phone number. You also need to have your address that you want to register, which is your physical address as a director. And you also need an address that you are going to use for your business. So if you are going to use the same address for your physical address in your company, you are just going to use that one address. Then you also need to determine your year end for your business. When do you want your year end to be? I always advise people to use a February year end because it is the one that links and goes with the SARS calendar. So February year end is the majority that people uses, but you can use any year end that you want. So when you have those things, so for directors, it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be one director. You can be 2 directors, you can be 3 or whatever number, but you need to have information for each director, their name and surname, their passports or IDs, their email, their telephone number, their physical addresses. Then, once you have that, you are going to fill in the information on CIPC and you are going to file that company registration. When you have filed it, CIPC is going to issue you what is called a COR 39. When you receive that COR 39, it will require a director to sign, at least one director to sign. And once you have done that, you are going to sign that, and now you're going to upload the documents. So all the other documents of all the directors that you put on your application, and also that COR 39. So you are going to upload all the IDs, you are going to upload that COR 39, you are going to upload, if you're an accountant doing it on behalf of others, or someone doing it on behalf of others and you are not a director, you are going also to upload your ID as the person who is doing the application. Once those documents are uploaded, you are going to get your result, whether the company registration is successful or has failed. What cipc does, if your company registration is failed, they give you the reason why it has failed. Maybe they say the IDs are not clear, or they can say it's not certified, or whatever reason. So when it's declined, you need to start the process again. You need to do your application again. Your reservation is there, you are not going to change. But your application now, your company registration, you need to start the process, do again, get another COR 39, fill it in, and upload the documents again. Once, let's say it's successful, that your application has been accepted, now you are going to get the confirmation that it has been successful. And when you get that, it will give you a document that shows you your registration number, it gives you your name of the company, your directors and everything. You can also go in the system and upload and download your company registration certificates, where you can download your COR 14.3, your memorandum of incorporation, and all the other documents. So once you have downloaded those documents, keep those as your company registration documents. And what you use most of the time is that COR 14.3. which has all the information. That one is your name of the company, is your year end, it has the tax number, which is the income tax number, it has the company address, directors and everything. So it's one document, it's one page document, so that is the one you'll be using all the time when a registration certificate is required. So this is how easy it is to register for a company in South Africa. So if you want to register a company, follow this process, and it is easy for you to get a registration. If you need help from us, we also do company registration. You will find our information on Facebook on how to contact us. Then we can help you. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.